Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of ChatGPT. How to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of ChatGPT. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of ChatGPT and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget